Happy Easter, everyone. I hope that you've had a wonderful weekend, and we're about to get ready for our special day. Would you like to see what we do today? It's going to be jam-packed with lots of yummy food, I'll tell you that. So I need to get started. So the first thing that I will be making today is breakfast sandwiches. With English muffins. I think I showed you those this last week. I have 24 of them I need to make. Plus, I'm making a bunch of eggs to go in them. So I need to get started. For this recipe, it's going to be 18 eggs, 1/3 cup of milk, and I'll show you how it goes in the pan. We have the Phillips coming over, so I need to have breakfast ready. And they're coming in like T-minus 1 hour. Got my eggs, so I'm just gonna scramble them. There's a lot of eggs in here. So I'm just gonna, I'm also going to salt and pepper them, but I wanna salt and pepper them in the pan because I'm going to be baking it in a long sheet that I can cut up to put into the biscuits or the muffins. Smart, huh? I saw it on Instagram and I thought, yes, this is going to be the easiest way to make a lot of breakfast biscuits. Or muffins, sorry. Using the largest cookie sheet I have, I'm going to liberally, and that means a lot, spray as much as I think is needed because I want these eggs to come out very easy and not broken. So I'm gonna go up the sides. There, that's looking really good. Get those sides really good too. Great, now I'm going to pour the mixture. Easy peasy, right? And I'm just gonna salt and pepper that, put it in the 350-degree oven. It's already going, and then keep going with my next steps. Another thing that I need to start is the sausage. So this is one of our favorites. It's just nice and round. So I've been to other stores and bought little sausage rounds, and I've just not been that impressed. So these ones are nice size for English muffins. And I'm gonna do this whole bag, even though I don't think I'm gonna use them all. Because I'm also gonna have some bacon ones, and I cooked those last night. And I also just cooked them using a cookie sheet in the oven. Who bakes their bacon like I do? It's easy and it comes out in nice long strips, so it's perfect. So I'm gonna give that, boys are starting to clean. You can see, hey Jonas. So we're starting to get the house ready because the Phillips are going to be here very soon. And the reason they're coming is because our church twice a year does general conference. Now general conference is for anybody. Anybody can watch it. It's on a lot of local channels. Sorry, I'm out of the frame. A lot of local channels or BYU. And it's just uplifting religious speakers. And it's just such a good time of year. I love conference weekend. And so that's why I love doing some good breakfast. We get ready to sit on the couch and we watch what our speakers they've planned to say to us. And with it being Easter as well, I'm sure it's going to be a lot about Jesus, and I'm so grateful for that. And we do little fun games with the kids. So I have like bingo, so they can sit and listen, and then they can eat some jelly beans and stuff. So that, and it's going to be a lot of fun. And we did this a couple of times, I think, with the Phillips already, and it's just a good Sunday. So I'm also just happy that it's Easter as well. So got to get going on these sausages and then do the next step. So the eggs just came out. They look great. I've already started to score them so I could put them in the muffins. I am so excited. So these are going to be great. They're going to taste great. And I just need to get going and putting them together now. I already got, like, as soon as they popped out, I put the cheese in so it's kind of softer in the middle. And then I'm just going to open them up and add a little square. And then I'm alternating between bacon and sausage. So I'm going to get the sausage. And that's it. And then all I'm putting is a B or a B for bacon and S for sausage on top so that everybody knows what's inside it. Easy, easy, and delicious. Now I need to go do like 20 more. So we are in muffin bake making mode. So I have a bunch of sausage and bacons here. I'll have leftovers, so if somebody doesn't want to have the muffins, they could just eat the meat ones. And then we're also making sunrise shakes. You can see Isaiah is, he's putting ice cream and orange juice in there. It's almost like, what do you say, 2 to 1?
It's like an orange Julius. Oh.
Like an orange Julius, but this is the Chick-fil-A Copycat version. So he's gonna just whisk that up. And then we only have this many muffins to do, and that is happening really fast here. How was everything? Was it good?
Oh my god. Is conference good? Wait, it is a conference. Hey, I have green. No, I have green.
We are going to be making resurrection rolls, and I'll be putting the recipe at the end of this segment. It's with the kids, so they're super excited, and I'm having them wash their hands first. They're almost ready. Everybody's doing their part. Oops.
You go to Fizz tomorrow, Mom.
So good. So if you can see inside, the little tubes are empty. The marshmallows absorbed into the pastry. Tina! Yeah! So we're going to cut them up and let the kids have some. They should taste like little cinnamon rolls.
Ooh, they
so
look
good. And it smells delicious.
And then some eggs.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
What do you guys think?
Good.
Kind of tastes like cinnamon rolls a little bit?
Yeah. Delicious.
Resurrection rolls, yes. Just getting that ham ready for Easter. How many of you had Easter ham today? We love ham. I mean, we should have it more often. And it's super easy. So all I'm gonna do is cover that in foil and cook it for 90 minutes. And I also have my funeral potatoes ready to go too. So far, this is all heated up. Now I am going to start the glaze. This ham smells delicious. Now I probably could have just done my own topping for it with pineapples and brown sugar, but I just used the packet. Easy peasy, right? And then we just have some bread, and there's funeral potatoes. I will link my video to the recipe. It is really a wonderful side to have with really any meal. It's a little more rich, so just remember that. But so delicious. I think I've made my family wait long enough. It's time to have some Easter meal. Thanks for joining me on our Easter Sunday, Conference Sunday. It was a lot of fun hanging with the Phillips and having a wonderful breakfast. And now it looks like we're going to have an even better dinner. Yum, yum, so exciting. So I hope you had a wonderful Easter holiday, and stick around. You never know what I'll be rolling out next.